Hey guys, welcome back to the Bonus with Fitment channel. I'm Lulu. In this video, we'll install this bonus shell type wheel kit for this Maserati Levante. Let's go. First, we need to loosen the wheel bolts. Install one bonus wheel bolt on. The bonus Forge Grade 12.9 shell type wheel bolt kit adopts a 2-pieces design using alloy steel SCM 440 wheel bolts, reaching the ISO standard grade 12.9. Each set of bonus grade 12.9 shell type wheel bolt kit has 4 pieces locking wheel bolts and a lock key. Compared with ordinary locking wheel bolts, bonus uses a special spline lock design, matching the lock key to ensure uniqueness of the product. Then install the lock key on the wheel. Now we need to use a torque wrench to tighten the wheel bolt. With 140 Nm. Now install the bonus shell. The shell packed with better materials and different colors to bring a more satisfactory overall appearance. Finally, use the 90 socket to tighten the shell with only 5 Nm to 10 Nm. Installing bonus Forge Grade 12.9 shell bolt kit is a way of expressing owner's personality. While obtaining a better appearance, it can also ensure the driving safety of the vehicle. Different color shells bring your wheel rims with different style. If you want to change this bonus shell type wheel bolt, please see the link down on the description. See you next time. Bye bye.